Now, I did purchase an off-brand band, and it seems to fit perfectly as well on this watch. It has a similar texture. It is a little bit thinner, and when I actually attach it to the watch, there's not the clear audible clicking. It does go on very securely, but it's not exactly the Samsung brand, so it's going to be a little bit different. It still looks great, functions the same, has that seamless kind of look, and I'm happy with both bands. I can wear either one, it's fine. It has a very soft, luxurious feel, very beautiful texture, very comfortable. So I'm very happy with it.